I come to you, sir,
with my skirt lifted, since I have heard your name is the Mounting Lord.
and I was never sated with fucking.
I kept a chaplain for 2 years and his clerics and all his following.
And I have a large, firm, and sprightly butt.
And a larger cunt than any woman ever.
And I come towards you, lady, with my trousers lowered.
With a larger cock than any randy donkey.
And we'll fuck you with such an outburst that you'll have to wring your bed sheets the day after.
And say thereafter that they need to be washed. Neither I nor my huge nuts will leave unless I fuck you until you pass out.
Since you anticipate so much fucking,
I would like to know, sir, your pride,
since I have armored my entrance quite well,
in order to resist the attack of large testicles.
then I'll start kicking so much that you won't be able to hold to the front hair.
And you'll have to begin again from behind. No, my lady, that I agree to all this. As long as we are together until tomorrow,
I shall ram into your armored entrance,
then you'll know whether mine is just boasting.
since I'll make you cast through your arms such farts as will sound like they come from a whore.
And your dance shall suit the music.